Hello children, let's learn 80 sound words today. But before starting with 80 words, let's revise the words which we have learned earlier, at, and ab sound words. Okay, now you all tell me which picture is this? Yes, this is a rat. What is this? Rat. Can you tell me the spelling of rat? Yes, R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Rat. Now, which picture is this? Yes, it shows mother's lab. It is lab. What is this? Lab. So, what's the spelling of lab? L-A-P, lab. 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 Now, which picture is this? Yes, this is a fan. What's the picture of fan? Fur and fan. Fur and fan. Now, which picture is this? It shows gap. What does it shows? Gap. So, what is the picture of, what is the spelling of gap? Gap. Gap. G-A-P, gap. Now, which picture is this? Yes, this is a hat. What is the spelling of hat? Hat. Hat. H-A-T, hat. Now, which picture is this? This is nap. What is this? Nap. 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 N-A-P, nap. Now, which picture is this? It is a van. What is this? Van. Van. V-A-N, van. Well done, everyone. I hope you all know all these spellings very well. Well done. Excellent. Now let's move to the learning of AD sound words. Add sound words. Now here, b and bad. B and bad. You can look here. B and bad. Is this a boy a bad boy? Yes. Why? Because he is writing on wall. He is writing on wall. So he is a bad boy. Okay. I hope you all are good girls, good children. Nobody scribble on walls. Well done. Now look here. It is the and dad. The and dad. You can look here. The and dad. When you read together, the and dad, it becomes dad. He's a dad. He is dad. Now, la and lad. You can look here. La and lad. How to read it? La and lad. He is a lad. Lad means a young boy, small boy is called lad. Okay. Now, it is ma and mad. What is this? Ma and mad. Ma and mad. So, you can see this man looks like a madman. Yes. Now, per and pad. Per and pad. You can see here, per and pad. How to read it? Per and pad. And this is a writing pad. You can write on this pad. Yes. Anything you can write. Now it is sir and sad. Sir and sad. What is this? Sir and sad. What kind of face is this? Sad face. You can see this face? Huh? Is it happy or sad? It is sad. It is sad. How to read it? Sir and sad. Very good. Now you all have to practice reading all the words carefully. Okay? Now let's come to the next page where we are going to read simple sentences. Okay? You can see here. A bad lad. Read with me. A bad lad. Well done. Now, a bad lad is sad. Again, a bad lad is sad. Very good. Now, a bad lad is mad. Now, you all repeat with me. A bad lad is mad. Now, a bad lad has a pad. A bad lad has a pad. You can read here as has. Okay. It's a new word for you. Her as has. Now, a bad lad has a dad. A bad lad has a dad. You all need to practice reading perfectly. Read all these sentences and read them in front of your mom also so that she can check whether you are reading correctly or not. And you are supposed to write all these sentences in your notebook also. Now, one more reading page is here. Again, we'll practice some reading with simple sentences. Now, look at this word. It is H-E, he. How to pronounce these two letters? H-E, he. Okay? He is. Okay? The is. Okay? These are two new words for you here. He is a bad man. Again, he is a bad man. Okay? He is a fat lad. You can see it's very easy to read these sentences. He is a fat lad. He is a mad lad. Again, read with me. He is a mad lad. He is my dad. Again, he is my dad. He is sad. He is sad. He has. I've taught you how to read this word. Her as has. He has a pad. Okay. Now you all read it with me once again from the beginning. He is a bad man. He is a fat lad. He is a mad lad. He is my dad. He is sad. He has a pad. Very good, children. Now you practice reading all these sentences and write them in your notebooks also and practice them. Keep practicing. Enjoy reading. Stay safe at your home.